The Vice President of United Democratic Party, Allantry F. Dkhar, said that in the Lok Sabha election it is very difficult to predict who will win. Many factors that were played during the silent period before the day of polling, even though few political parties are confident about the outcome of the election. He further said that the party's hope lies in the efforts of the representative, party leaders and the grassroots workers. But everything will be clear on June the 4th.
My knowledge, it could be anybody's game on the 4th of June, because as you have all noticed, this recently concluded MP election was a different kind of an election. Of course, our hope lies in the extreme efforts put in by elected representatives, our party leaders, our grassroots workers. There was a marked difference this MP election. But as I said, elections are elections. Let us wait for 4th of June.